Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll present the Crestron SIMPL module developed for Uniview PTZ cameras, specifically designed for the IPC camera series. To use this driver, you'll need to purchase the module through our web store. You can find a video tutorial on how to complete the purchase in the description below. There are a few important things to note when setting up the module. First, the camera ID is typically set to 1, but we recommend checking the camera's settings to ensure that this ID matches your device. Regarding the processor type parameter, if you're using a physical Crestron processor, such as a CP4 or Pro 4, enter the value 1. If you're using a virtual processor like the VC4, enter the value 2. When working with a virtual processor, you'll also need to generate an API token from the processor's settings page in your web browser. Once generated, paste the token into the corresponding field in the module. If you're using a physical processor, this token field can be ignored. The value doesn't matter and will not be used. Once all the parameters are correctly filled in, double-check your entries, build the program, and upload it to your Crestron processor. The module comes with a demo application, and you can see its UI on the screen right now. As you can see, all the module's functionalities are exposed here. If everything has been set up correctly, the licensed and online indicators will appear green. If something is wrong, they'll turn red, and the error message field will show the reason for the failure. It's worth mentioning that when storing a preset, you have the option to rename it, or simply leave it as it was. We believe that everything else is fairly intuitive. And that's it for this short tutorial. If you have any questions or would like to request additional features, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We listen carefully and implement updates quickly. Thank you, and see you in the next video.